Yo, what's good, Poke fam? We back again, once again on the Poke Dares channel. Pack a day, every day, day number 411. And we're going with a fresh booster bundle pack of Prismatic Evolution. Yeah, we still chasing, trying to get the other 7 evolutions. We have the Glaceon and the Umbreon. So, hope we get the other ones. We got Jolteon, Vaporeon, uh, Sylveon, Espeon, Leafeon. But yeah, and we are doing the 8 binders giveaway. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Get the directions to be a part of the giveaway list and be a part of the giveaway 8 binder video giveaway, not video. But we will be doing a live stream on that. So we get this box open. Oh, this one is crazy, y'all. Look how they did this. It's crazy. Wow. Like, we can't even. Thank you. Please and thank you. The struggle is real. There we go. Our first pack. Look, it took all the way just to get out the pack. That's nasty work, y'all. Let's go. This is crazy. First pack. We need these 2 SIRs. Let's see if we can pull it out of our first pack from the booster bundle. Let's get it. Man, the struggle is just real. Just to get that out of there. Oh. All right, put that up there. I thought we was going to get a God pack. It's cool, though. See if we get an SIR. QR code for the family. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Gone. All righty. Got some goodie, though. Let's get it. I like this. Dusclops. Let's go. It's Sneasel. Okay. Execute. Okay. We have a Larry Skill. Professor Sada. Vitality. Bronzong. Zazong. Earthen Vessel. Okay. Ooh.
Give me that beat, that toot. Running out here through my fro, bouncing on 24. Why they stand on? It's the remix to Mission Hot and Fresh.
Ooh, got us a hit, family. All right. A great touch. Pokeball. Let's go. Got us a hit. All right. We're going to put that right there because we got to sleeve that up. I love the Spritzy. Did we get anything else? Did we get... Hey.
This a motion party, you cannot get in. Don Julio on drink gin. Bad bitches love me, chain like a slushy, wrist like an ice pack.
Hey, back to back. We got a Terrapagos EX, family. Let's go. At first, I was SIR, like, okay. Back to back hits, 1 pack. Let's go. First pack of the booster bundle. Let's get it. Get some sleeves. Sleeve these bad babies up. Let's go. Okay then. Get our other sleeve. That's what I like to see when you crack a fresh pack of a booster bundle. And you see all the people be crying, oh, you know, prismatic. Hey, you do, at least you walk away with something. Leave them with something. Let's go. Now we're going to be able to add these to the binder. Like I said, we're doing a giveaway binder, giving away 8 binders. So everything from my personal Lucario binder right here for the pack of days, as you can see right there, and unboxing, pack parties, different stuff in that nature that's in this binder will be given away in 8 different binders. The first 2 pages will be filled up, and let's check it out. Let's give us an update. We're gonna set our cards over here so we'll see, and then we're gonna count off the rest of the pages to see where we left off. And once the binder is filled up, that's when we will do the giveaway, and it will be on the weekend. So let's get to it, family. So you will have some full arts, some EXs, Apexes, alt arts. We got reverse hollows, shinies, promos. We got these. See some shinies right here. EXs. We got some from Sword and Shield, Scarlet and Violet, and Mega Evolutions. Some different stuff. So if you see some cards in here, you're more than welcome to put them in the comment section. Take a guess of where some of these cards are from, different series and different sets. That'll be fun. Let your boy know. Love that Pet Pluck. Look at that Charizard Y. Some more Sword and Shield, more EXs, Full Arts, some Trainers, Apexes, Pokeballs, another Full Art Bulbasaur right there, more Pokeballs, EXs. We have promo cards. Need some energies in case people want to build master sets or they want to build their own decks. Love that Salamence right there. It's all different types of fly stuff, family. Appreciate all the love and support. Just want to give back to the family that y'all have showed me so much love and support. So as I grow, continue to grow, y'all gonna grow with me, and we will gonna be doing this a lot more. So hopefully we can start giving away like ETBs. Want to give away like UPCs and just cards, maybe some slabs, all that good stuff. I think that'd be super dope, you know. You know, sometimes a lot of times it's hard to get stuff out here as well, so I understand. Shinies. Let's get it. More Sword and Shield for my Sword and Shield fan. First Hollows, more Pokeballs, my dog's back. Rito. Polyphone. Go, more Pokeballs, Leaf Ball, Water Ball, Fight Ball, Psychic Ball, regular Pokeball, Milk Tank. Roll out! If you know, you know. Sword and Shield. More Sword and Shield right there. Reverse Hollows. Radiance. More EXs, more promos. There we go. More Full Arts, EXs, Pokeball, the Master Ball, Espeon, and more EXs, Reverse Hollows. And then this is where we left off. So we're going to add our 2 cards we pulled today in our slot. Right there. So I'm going to count up. So this page is almost done. 3 cards. So we got 1, 2, 2.5. And then once that last page is filled up, that's when we will be doing the giveaway. So here go the names. Salute to all the contestants that made it to the board. Appreciate all the love and support. Now, to be a part of the board and get on the giveaway list, which I will have another board for you, all you got to do is hit that like, share, subscribe, hype the video, like the video, put your name in the comment section, or put your favorite Pokemon in the comment section if you're new to the family, and welcome to the family. And if you're already part of the family, all you got to do is hype the video of your choosing, like the video, put your name in the comment section, or put your favorite Pokemon in the comment section, and I'll add your name to the list. Like I said, we got to finish up this board. 6 slots left, family. So you already know what to do. I appreciate the love and support on our way to 2K subs and better. So you know our motto. We won today. Look at that, knocking stuff over. Gotta collect them all. Hey, Venusaur, gotta catch them all. Till next time, family. Let's see if we can do it again on Taco Tuesday. Let's go. Deuces.